if you see inside there was water, you will lose. And if you saw no, I can't see this. We're playing now, so I want to spin first. 2 eggs. One crack. No, two eggs.
No water.
No. 3, 2, 1.
Egg not. Is it wet?
Yeah. Okay, now we turn. Egg another. Okay. Egg another.
That's cheating. Okay, next your turn.
I will. You 2 eggs.
Okay, nothing. Okay.
Oh no.
Okay.
Bye bye.
2 eggs.
No. I will choose. No.
Okay, Wilson.
Now have a lot less. I got. What does this mean? Okay, pass. So you pass.
Okay, you get pass. You pass.
You pass.
Now Raymond's turn.
You pass. I got pass. So I just got which one?
You get 2 eggs, Raymond. 2
And
eggs.
And I got pass.
Yeah, you get pass. Raymond, your turn.
And I like this crack on my hat or a little bit.
Yeah, you're very lucky. What are you doing? That's not your egg. Okay then. Anyway, that's all the game about. I hope everyone enjoy it. Try again.
Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Egg another.
Egg another.
Yeah. I wanna choose. No.
Faster.
Egg. One egg. You choose. Yeah. That's it. I wanna choose. You just go from egg another.
Seriously.
Wait. 3, 2, 1.
Pass.
Pass.
Now Wilson, Raymond's turn.
I wanna. No. My turn. Pass. Your turn. Egg. One egg. I always win. 3, 2, 1. 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Nope. So I must shake.
Take another one.
This half.
No, cannot. Take it.
What?
Put it on your head.
That's my turn. I say don't have.
Egg.
I feel
One.
it. He always
Pass.
like this. He holds. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
2 eggs.
I think he's gonna lose. No.
One more. Make up your mind.
I wanna pick this. Yes! You lose! You lose!
Last one.
You this one.
Pass. He passed. Pass. Your turn.
He passed?
Yeah.
Egg.
Okay.
2 egg.
Just take.
Just take 2
Yeah.
eggs.
Just take it.
I think what I
Open it.
open it.
Just open it.
You want your this again.
Okay, no more. Finish.
Again.
Bye.
Thank you everybody for watching, but I want to play again. Hope you like to subscribe and
again.
the like button.